Please check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, I'm gonna open 1992 Series 1 Upper Deck Stadium Club. Sometimes they have one of the worst pictures ever. Let's see. Sometimes it's a fighter. Sometimes. Ay, 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 ay. Okay. Something they brick. Here's the checklist. First one, Tom Grigg. Oh, never mind, save this card. So far. And then behind the card, it shows her first year. You know, his first rookie year. Great Tommy. Yes. These stacks are all funky. Brown. Look at rookie year. Okay, shows a rookie year. Or the first top card behind there. Ray Likens. Manual Elite. Oh, they're loose. I remember him. He was with the Giants. And the last two. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Let me know what you think. We'll do better next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.